In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Taggbox for internal communication via Microsoft Viva. First, log into your Taggbox account and open your dashboard. Next, create or select the social feed you want to display, like company updates or announcements. Once your feed is ready, go to the Publish section and click on Embed Code. Copy the HTML embed code generated by Taggbox. Now open your Microsoft Viva environment or internal portal where HTML embedding is supported. Find an embed or custom HTML section, then paste the Taggbox embed code there. Click Save or Publish to update the page. Now your Taggbox feed will appear inside Microsoft Viva, helping your team stay updated with real-time internal communication. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Taggbox in a Microsoft Viva using an embed code. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.